Hello, good morning everyone. Today I find a very nice place to be my office to do math today. So today's topic is exterior angle of triangle. Now let's look at a triangle. For a triangle, obviously there are three angles inside. 1, 2, 3. Three angles inside the triangle, and we call these angles interior. Interior means inside. Interior angles. For a triangle, there must be three interior angles, inside angles. Okay? So what if we continue one of the side? So for example, if I continue this side, continue the straight line, then I've got an angle here. Do you think that this angle is an interior angle? No, because this angle is not inside the triangle, but outside of the triangle. And we call this the exterior angle, because exterior means outside, interior means inside. The exterior angle, say, let this be A. And this exterior angle, there's a very interesting property. It will be equal to the sum of two interior angles. So inside the triangle, there are three angles, 1, 2, and 3, right? But this one, which is the one next to the angle A, next to the outside angle, this one doesn't count. We don't need this one. But we need the other two angles, the other two interior angles. Let's call them B and C. Then the relationship is that the exterior angle A will be equal to the sum of the two interior angles, B and C. A equals to B plus C. We call this exterior angle of triangle. This is the abbreviation of exterior. And this symbol means angle. This symbol means triangle. Exterior angle of triangle. Okay? So let's look at some more example. So now let's look at this triangle. So now we have three inside angles, right? Three interior angles. What about exterior? How could we have an exterior angle? Let's continue one of the side. Which one would you like to continue, the length? What about continue the length here? So if you continue this straight line this side, then we have just produced a new angle. This angle is not inside the triangle, but outside of the triangle. So we call this the exterior angle. Okay? And then what about the interior angles? Note that this angle, which is next to the exterior angle, this one doesn't count. We don't need this angle. But the other two, these two, we need these two angles. These are the interior angles. So with respect to this exterior angle, we have these two interior angles. And if I call this angle, say, X, Y, and Z. X, Y, and Z. Can you tell the relationship? Can you tell the relationship of these three angles? Remember, exterior angle, which is X. Exterior angles is always equals to the sum of the two interior angles. Which one go first doesn't matter, just Y plus Z or Z plus Y. So X equal to Y plus Z. And we call this exterior angle of triangle. This is the exterior angle. It equals to the sum of the two interior angles. Notice that we have the interior angle here. This one doesn't count because this one is the one next to the exterior angle. So this one, we don't need this one. This one doesn't count. And now, let's look at one more. What about if we continue this line, continue the line here? Do you see the new angle, the exterior angle? Where is it? Yes, this one. This one is the exterior angle. Then, with respect to the exterior angle, what are the two interior angles? Is this one? No, this one, because this one is the one next to the exterior angle. So this one doesn't count. But the other two, we need these two angles. These two angles. So let's use the white color. This is the exterior angle, and these two are the interior angles. So if you call them M and O, so can you write down the relationship between them? Which one is the exterior angle? O, N, or M? Yes, M. This one is the exterior angle, outside of the triangle. So the exterior angle M equals to the sum of the two interior angles, N and O. This is their relationship. Exterior angle of triangle. Okay. So, now what if, for this triangle, what if we continue the line here? Continue the line here. So, do you see the exterior angle? This one? Or this one? Or this one? Or this one? Yes, it should be this one, because this one is the angle not inside the triangle but outside of the triangle. This one is the exterior angle. So let's call this C. Then with respect to this angle, which two are the interior angles? This one? Yes, this one. This one? No, because this one is the one next to the exterior angle, so this one doesn't count, but we need this angle. So let's call this A and B. We have A, B, and C. Can you write down the equation telling the relationship among them, A, B, and C? We always start from the exterior angle, so you should write C equals to A plus B. Exterior angle of triangle. Okay? Now you should have a better understanding of what is an exterior angle of triangle. Now let's go back to the map. Okay. Let's start from this one. So in this case, you see that there are three angles, 44, 55, and X. Do we have exterior angle here? Yes. Which one is the exterior angle? This one, because this is the angle not inside the triangle but outside. So this is the exterior angle. And 44 and 55, they are not the one next to X, right? So they are the interior angle. Therefore, we can write down the relationship. We know that exterior angle X equals to the sum of the two interior angles. 44 degree plus 55 degree equals to X. Reason is exterior angle of triangle. So that 44 plus 55 become 99. So that X equal to 99 degree. This angle is 99 degree. Okay? Next question. What about this situation? We've got 75, we've got Y, and we've got 30. 1, 2, 3. One of them is the exterior angle. Do you know which one? Y, or 30, or 75? Which one is the exterior? Yes, it should be this one. 75 because this is the one not inside the triangle, but outside of the triangle. And what about 30 and y? They are inside the triangle. And they do not touch the exterior angle. They are not the one next to the exterior angle. So these two are the interior, and this is the exterior. So can you write down the relationship? We always start from the exterior angle. So you should write down 75 degrees first. Exterior angle equals to the sum of the two interior angles, y plus 30 degrees. Reason is exterior angle of triangle. Okay? Now, what are you going to do to solve this equation? We want to know what is y. So what to do with the 30 positive? Yes, bring it to the other side. You should bring the 30 positive to the other side, and it will become negative 30. So that we have y left behind. 75 minus 30 becomes 45. Therefore, we know that y is equal to 45 degrees. Okay? Next question. What about this one? How many angles do we have? We have 54, we have x, and we have this angle. This angle is x minus 10. So we have 54, we have x, and we have x minus 10. 3 angles, right? Can you tell me which one is the exterior angle? Is it x, or x minus 10, or 54? Which one? Yes, it should be 54, this one, because this one is not inside the triangle, it's outside of the triangle. So that we have 54, we always write down the exterior angle first. The exterior angles equals to the sum of the two interior angles. So this angle is x, and the other angle is x minus 10 degrees. Okay? The exterior angle equals to the sum of the two interior angles, x and x minus 10. Reason, exterior angle of triangle. Right? Now, let's try to simplify this situation. Let's just take out the bracket. It is a positive bracket. So we do not need to change anything, just x and negative 10 degrees, 54 degrees. Okay? So is there any like terms that we could combine? What about x plus x? Do you think that we could add them up? X plus x, 1 apple plus 1 apple becomes 2 apples, so that we have 2x. And the negative 10, if you bring the negative 10 to the other side, to the left hand side, it becomes positive 10. So we have 54 degrees plus 10 degrees equals to 2x. And therefore 2x equals to 64 degrees. So that x equals to, what should we do now? We want to know what is x. How to get rid of the 2? We should divide both sides by 2. Yes, so that we could cancel out the coefficient. And x, it will be equal to 64 divided by 2, which is 32 degrees. So that this is how we find x. Okay? And then, next one, this one. The principle is still the same. We just need to locate which one is the exterior angle and which two are the interior angles. Now, look at them. We have this angle, 3y minus 20 degrees. And we have this angle, 40 degrees. And we have this angle, y plus 10 degrees. So please tell me, which one is the exterior angle? This one? Yes, this one is the one outside of the triangle, exterior. So that exterior angle 3y minus 20 degrees must be equal to the sum of the two interior angles, which is 40 degree and y plus 10 degree. Okay, exterior angle equals to the sum of the two interior angles. The reason is exterior angle of triangle. And now let's take away the brackets so that we have 40 plus y plus 10 degree. Okay. Now 40 plus 10, what is that? 40 plus 10? 40 plus 10 become 50, so we have y plus 50 degree. And the other side, we just copy 3y minus 20 degree. Now, let's try to combine the like terms. Who are the like terms? 3y and y. Yes, they are like terms. You should try to combine them. And 20 and 50 are also just an angle. You should also combine them. Now, let's bring the y, positive y, to the left-hand side. Positive y will become negative y. Together with the 3y, you should combine them. And negative 20, when you move negative 20 degree to the right-hand side, becomes positive 20 degree. So together with the 50 degree, you should combine them. 3y minus y becomes 2y. And 50 plus 20 becomes 70. Now we have 2y equals to 70 degree. So we want to know this y. What to do with the 2? How to get rid of the 2? You should divide both sides by 2 so that we could cancel out the coefficient. And finally, y equals to 70 divided by 2, which is 35. Y equals to 35 degree. This is the value of y. Okay? So this is the exterior angle of triangle. See you next time.